bustling cities of Paris in France, London in England, or Berlin in Germany are some of the first places that come to mind when making travel plans to Europe. Although each of these cities is amazing, they do not even come close to representing all that Europe has to offer. It is possible to discover a more genuine, conventional side of Europe by visiting some of the smaller towns scattered around the continent. The most stunning tiny towns in Europe are listed below if you're thinking about taking a trip there soon. Choose a few to include on your schedule so you can completely enjoy everything that Europe has to offer tourists. Hello everyone. Welcome to Z. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. 9 most charming small towns in Europe. 9. Cesky Krumlov. Travel to Cesky Krumlov in the Czech Republic to experience a medieval fairy tale. The Vltava River splits Cesky Krumlov in two, and a magnificent Gothic castle from the 13th century stands in its center. The streets are lined with 18th century Baroque homes, guiding the way to the living castle itself. Cesky Krumlov features a multitude of picturesque vistas that you will never forget, whether you want to take in the intricate architecture or the unspoiled natural beauty. Bled. Slovenia is an overlooked location with some of the most breathtaking scenery on the continent, even if it may not be the first European country that comes to mind when considering natural beauty. Bled, a little town on the banks of Lake Bled, serves as one illustration. The Julian Alps provide the town's backdrop, and in the middle of the lake itself lies a little island with a gorgeous white chapel perched atop it. To really appreciate Bled, which appears to have been plucked from a charming fairy tale, one must visit it. 7. Ronda. Major vacation towns like Malaga and Marbella are located close to the Spanish town of Ronda. However, Ronda transports you back in time and has a remarkable collection of ancient buildings. The 14th century Arabic bathhouse is one of Ronda's most recognizable ruins. It was constructed in Ronda. The most well-known activity in Ronda, along with touring the winding, tiny alleyways of the ancient town, is arguably crossing the Puente Nuevo Bridge over the El Taha Gorge. Six. Zermatt. Zermatt, regarded as one of Switzerland's most scenic locations, is located in the center of the Swiss Alps. The Matterhorn, one of the tallest alpine peaks and a stunningly breathtaking snow-capped beauty, towers in the background of the settlement. Additionally, Zermatt is car-free, which contributes to the preservation of its authentic ambience. The location is unmatched, whether you want to go skiing in Zermatt in the winter or boating on the Vispa River in the summer. 5. Rothenberg ob der Tauber. One of the most well-known and alluring locations in all of Europe is the medieval center of Rothenberg ob der Tauber. The little German town's city walls were constructed in the 14th century, and much of the old town's architecture is also from that time period. Rothenberg ob der Tauber is home to historic half-timbered houses, palaces from the Middle Ages, and office structures that seem to have stood the test of time. The best way to see the historic walls and as much of the magnificent architecture as you can is on walking tours. Halstead. Halstead, which is situated on the shores of the Halstedter Sea, or Lake Halstead, is one of Austria's most picturesque tourist sites. The salt mines in Halstead have attracted visitors for countless years. Today, though, the scenery is a main attraction. Mountains rise directly behind the serene mountain lake, and only a short stroll from Halsted's charming, historic city center, you may find everything from caverns to waterfalls. Rain. The Lofoten Islands, which are located in Norway's far north, are thought to be its most picturesque region. There aren't any sizable cities here, however Rain is a tiny village. Rain is not only a fantastic location for viewing wildlife in its natural settings or catching a sight of the northern lights, but it is also breathtakingly beautiful. You may witness magnificent peaks that rise out of the lake, rich green scenery, and crystal clear blue water from Rain. Nearly majority of the houses are traditional and painted a vibrant crimson color. Positano. Positano is a seaside town on Italy's Amalfi Coast. However, it appears that the majority of its visitors are day trippers from adjacent towns like Sorrento. Due to this, there are less visitors in the evening, but the world-class beach vistas are still present. Spend time in the waterfront, which has the majority of the lodging, dining, and retail options. Although the port itself is beautiful, sunset is when it really comes to life. You can truly appreciate Positano's magnificence by hiring a boat and embarking on an exciting excursion to see the coast from the water. 1. Oia. The clifftop hamlet of Oia is located on the renowned Greek island of Santorini. Oia, which overlooks a caldera, should be on everyone's travel wish list if they enjoy stunning scenery. There are miles of paths that go up and down through the village and the surrounding countryside, providing many opportunities to take in the sights. The busiest time of day in Oia is just before sunset because this Greek tourist destination is famous for its spectacular sunsets, when the sun sets over the Aegean Sea and illuminates the sky with a pink glow. That's for now. We appreciate you for being here. View more our channel videos.